Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Honda Civic speakers. First, disconnect the battery and gather a pry tool, screwdrivers, a multimeter, and replacement speakers. Start by testing the head unit and fusing, then measure speaker continuity and voltage. Swap channels to isolate the fault and inspect door panels carefully for clipped wires. Be gentle removing clips to avoid broken tabs and keep track of screws and trim pieces. Begin by organizing tools and parts so the job flows smoothly and safely. Wear gloves and keep small screws in a magnetic tray or labeled containers to avoid losing them. Measure speaker depth and mounting diameter before buying replacements to ensure fit without modification. Verify impedance matches the stock speakers to prevent amp overload, and consider foam ring adapters for a tighter fit and improved bass response. Start removing panels slowly to protect clips and paint. Use a pry tool and locate hidden screws under armrests or covers. Take photos of harness positions and connector orientations to make reassembly straightforward and error-free. If wiring shows corrosion, cut back to clean wire, solder joints, and use heat shrink tubing or waterproof connectors for durability. Test speakers before reinstalling panels to confirm the fix and avoid repeating removal steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.